Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
Igbo Igbo ekelekwa m unu. Igbo Igbo nke ochiri ya zere tata bụrụ ụbọchị mbụ ị na-eso ya anyị na obi nwanne m oziọma Chineke asị gị daalụ ma gbakwa mbọ ka ị na-agbasa ozi aka ọ na-agụ mbụ ụwa niile ekene m na amasị ụtụtụ ọma to each and every one of us depending on where you are watching us live from this morning. Today is the 5th of May 2022, the month of the Chukwu Okike Abiama. So ekene m unu ụmụ Chineke. We'll bring you how today's sit at home. Siaganaba. I don't know for Aba. I don't know if you are from Ebonyi, if you are in Ebonyi, if you are in Enugu, if you are in Anambra and Imo State. How is that place today? In Aba, everywhere is totally shut down today. You can see it. You can see everywhere was shut down today in Aba. Everywhere. I can tell you. We just come out this morning and we found out that everywhere is calm. And the street is calm, road is calm, no normal vehicle. Every shop was locked with key today. Businesses locked. Even the gates that you use and enter market was locked. Some people come market today, but the gates, the entrance to the market was shut down, and many of them go back to their various houses today. So that is what we are seeing today. If I were a very popular market, but you can see that today is something else. Everywhere is locked down today. Businesses shut down, school shut down, bank shut down. Transports, important transporters shut down today in Aba. That is what we are seeing today in Aba. Everywhere. I'm going to the very busy road in Aba, a very popular road. Going to focus the road today. Going to focus the road everywhere. See the shop, all the shop here. Here, all these clothes materials, all these ready-made clothes materials, quality clothes materials. But it's quite unfortunate that today we couldn't find any shop that is open. All the shop was shut down today, due to the sit at home. Due to the sit at home. And if you're asking what caused this sit at home, they say that the president of so-called president of Nigeria is visiting Ebonyi State to commission one or two something. So on the process, the hierarchy, the leadership of IPOB, DOS, come up with a 2-day sit at home, 5th and 6th. So that is what caused this sit at home today. That is what caused this sit at home today in Aba. You can see all the shop here was totally shut down. I'm telling you, today is something else. I can't imagine what I'm seeing today. Everywhere is totally locked on key today. You know, people are playing ball, people are sitting, people are sitting at home. All the shops here, all these places, it's a place they used to sell clothes. But guess what? Today, today is sit at home. So I don't know for Anambra, I don't know for Imo people, I don't know for Ebonyi people, I don't even know for Enugu people. If you are in any of these states, how is that state today? How is your area? How is that state? For Aba here, Aba is very very calm. Business shut down, shops shut down, school shut down, bank shut down, important transporters shut down also. So how is your area also today? I just said let me come and brief you people today that Aba is sitting at home also today. So how is your side? How is your side? If you are in Aba, if you are in Onisha, Anambra, if you are in Imo, if you are in Enugu, if you are in Ebonyi State, how is your side? How is that area? How are they coping today? Are they sitting at home or are there any activities that is going on there? How is your side? Chinonso Chigozie said madness kill you there. Are you referring to me or are you referring to someone? I want to know. Chinonso Chigozie. My brother, I want to know. I want to know. I want to know. Okay, my brother. Chinonso Chigozie, Dalo Chineke. I don't mind the person. It's my brother also. I don't know the person, but it's my brother. If you say I'm mad, I'm not mad because I'm a normal human being. Uh, Peaceful ask why they sit at home. They sit at home uh, is because they said that the president of Nigeria is visiting Ebonyi State to commission one or two things. So all of a sudden, the hierarchy, the leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra imposed 2 days sit at home across Biafra land. That is why sit at home day to day. So for Aba today, for Aba, I can tell you that everywhere is totally locked on key today. In Aba today, everywhere is totally locked on key. Everywhere. People are playing ball. People are even going to the streets, playing ball, shooting ball, having fun. Some people are drinking akam and they sleeping in their various houses today. I can tell you. I don't know for other places. I don't know for Enugu. That is why I say if you are from Enugu, if you are from Ebonyi, if you are from Onisha, and the rest of them, how is your area today? How is your area? I try to bring you people. Let me know. Let me tell you that
My word, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do where to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.